This earth is so beautiful, but there are few disasters like earthquake which can ruin everything in just few minutes. In this video, we are going to show you world's most disastrous earthquakes. Subscribe my channel so you can go through my latest videos. Before we see some of the disastrous videos of earthquakes, I'm going to tell you three causes of earthquakes. Most earthquakes are caused by the slipping of tectonic plates. Minor earthquakes can also be caused by volcanic eruptions, collapse of rock formations on Earth's surface, or underground explosions. Earthquakes are results of a sudden movement along faults within the Earth. The movement releases stored up elastic strain energy in the form of seismic waves, which propagate through the Earth and cause the ground surface to shake. Apart from these, earthquakes can be caused by a number of geological factors, natural phenomena, and human activities. Earthquakes can result in ground shaking, soil liquefaction, landslides, avalanches, fires, and tsunamis. The extent of destruction and harm caused by an earthquake depends upon the magnitude, intensity, and duration. The biggest earthquake ever recorded of magnitude 9.5 happened in 1960 in Chile, whereas the deadliest earthquake of all time was in Shanxi province, China in 1556 with the magnitude of 8. On the moment magnitude scale, this was not the strongest earthquake of all time, but it was by far the most devastating, killing an estimated 8,300,000 people. Indonesia is the country that has most earthquakes. The North American country Haiti had an earthquake on 12 January 2010, in which 300,000 people lost their lives. In 2004, Sumatra earthquake caused the ocean floor to suddenly rise by as much as 40 meters, triggering a massive tsunami. Within 20 minutes of the earthquake, the first of several hundred-foot wave hit the shorelines of Banda Aceh, killing more than 100,000 people and pounding the city into rubble. It was the most powerful earthquake ever recorded in Asia, and it was the most powerful earthquake in 21st century and the third most powerful earthquake ever recorded in the world. It had the longest duration of faulting ever observed, between 8 to 10 minutes. Earthquake in Sichuan province in China on 25th May 2008 killed almost 90,000 people. Almost 19,000 people are listed as missing and 300,000 people injured. This estimate includes 158 earthquake relief workers who were killed in a landslide as they tried to repair roads. Pakistan on 8th of October 2005, early in the morning, got hit by the magnitude of 7.6. Almost 100,000 people lost their lives, approximately 150,000 were injured, and over 3.5 million rendered homeless. On 6th of February 2023, Turkey and Syria got hit by a magnitude of 7.8 earthquake, which rocked southeast Turkey near the Syrian border, with aftershocks numbering in the thousands. There were 50,000 deaths, 300 were missing, and 100,000 injured across 11 of the 7 affected provinces of Turkey. At least 16 million people and 4 million buildings were affected. About 300,000 apartments were destroyed. If you really like this video, share it among with your friend and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.